Hey, welcome everyone. And today I just want to say, ensure that you be yourself in spite of what's going on around you. Ensure that you take full control of your surroundings. Feel free to be yourself, because this is what YouTube is all about. It's all about making videos. It's all about feeling comfortable in your own skin. Stop allowing whatever naysayers have to say about you to get you down. Try not to worry about what people think about you, what people say about you behind your back. That's none of your business what they discuss about you. What's important is what you are doing at the moment to let your situation be much better. Okay? Focus on the goal ahead. Know what you want. Know where you're going. And know what you stand for. Because you see, at the end of the day, if you don't know what you stand for, if you don't know where you're going and what you want, you will never make it on this platform. Trust me. There are days, there are moments when I said, you know what, enough is enough. I'm gonna stop posting. I don't feel like posting. I've gone days, I've gone weeks without posting. And recently I started posting back like how I used to when I just start my channel. Let me tell you, it's very easy to get burned out. And I realized a lot of vloggers, yes, I said it correctly, a lot of vloggers get burned out really fast. Because guess what? And one of the things that let us get burned out so fast, we are trying to make it on top. And we're trying to make it on top. We post content. We listen to what people say. People say, oh, post this video, do this type of video. Yes, you try it, and when you try every single thing and you're still not sure of what type of video you want to make, I would suggest get a journal, write down your thoughts, what you think basically, and try to rearrange it and see how it would sound. For a person like me, I don't write anything down. I don't write any script. I just say what comes to my head. And most of the time it works for me. Most of the time it doesn't work for me. But that's the next thing I need to organize myself to know that, hey, today I'll be doing this video. Today I'll be doing a video where I am talking about emotions, or I am talking about how to make it on YouTube, or I'm talking about what type of video I can do to go viral and stuff like that. You need to make lists. So when you get your priorities straight, and then things will be more easier. And don't follow the crowd. It's not everything that you see the crowd do you should do, because guess what? At the end of the day, you're following somebody and trying to be somebody else, which it may work for you, and it may not work for you. It may work against you. And the reason why I say it may work against you, you see somebody doing this challenge, right? And you hype up yourself and say, yes, I'm gonna do this challenge is gonna go viral and all of that, right? Edit the video sound good, look good, everything. When you post the video, you only get 25 views. How is that gonna make you feel? You know what's gonna happen? You're gonna say, how this person post the video and they get this amount of views. It's all about networking, guys. Networking is the most important thing. Your YouTube channel is a brand, so treat it like a brand. Advertise yourself, guys. Advertise yourself wherever you go. Let people know that you have a YouTube channel. Wherever I turn, I let people know that, hey, I am a vlogger, I have a YouTube channel. My YouTube channel names are Juliana Soul Vlog, Juliana Empire, Juliana Kitchen, and all of that. I let people know about all my YouTube channels, and oftentimes they would hand me their phone and they would say, okay, then just type it in, or we exchange numbers and I send them the link, so it's more easier for them. And that's how I get to grow my platforms. I have used other people's phones to subscribe to persons who are in my circle, and I would say in my circle, people who are dear to me. So ensure that you have people who are genuine in your surrounding. That's one of the most important things. People who you can voice your opinion to. And the next thing is, I don't really know how to explain to people. So I would normally, it's not that I don't know how to explain to people. Then the thing that I think that's wrong with me is explaining something to somebody or showing somebody something and they don't understand, and for me to be going over the same topic like 3 or 4 times, that's not me. That's not me, to be honest. So I would say I'll give people my number. I would say give me a video call when you're ready. I could show them, or I say let me do a video for you and I'll send it by WhatsApp to them, so it's more easily for them to understand. Because guess what, when you have a video, with the video you are able to pause the video, watch the video, and do what you're doing. For me, sorry guys, for me, I learn very easily, and I know that it's not everybody can learn as easy as what I may learn, because I take the time out to sit on YouTube. Most of the times when I'm on YouTube searching for new ideas or new things, most of you all are sleeping. Some of the time I wake up like in the 2 o'clock at night and I'm on YouTube. I'm searching for new ideas, I'm searching for new things. So I know how to bring my channel across. I know what to do, what to say. And most people watch my video and they say, you have an accent. I would say sometimes I speak very good, sometimes I just give you the old Jamaican speaking. But guess what, I have to realize that it's not only Jamaicans watching my channel, so I have to try and organize my words, my speaking a little bit clearer and a little bit better for persons in other countries who are watching my content, because it's not only Jamaican watching my content, and I definitely wouldn't want just Jamaican to watching my content. I want people worldwide to be watching my content and at the same time understanding what I'm saying. So these are some of the things that we need to take in consideration when we are creating a YouTube channel. Do not just think about your hometown or people in your own country watching your content. Try to suit other people. I know it's not everybody are up to the speaking thing. As my mother would say, everything I sound as if I'm working in an office or anything like that. No, that's how I was brought up, because God bless my aunt. Trust me, she did well. She did really well. I'm not gonna lie, she did well because she sent us to the best school, and we may not live by everything that she said, but we did adopt some of the good things. So anybody that traveled before do know how to speak properly. They just speak as how they feel like at times, because at times I'm not in no proper pronunciation, I'm not in no speaking thing. Sometimes I just want to just speak my Jamaican language and feel free and let go. But when you are a vlogger and you're creating a brand, because Juliana Stowell Vlog, that's a brand. I don't see my channel as just a channel. No, that's a brand in the making. So I want people to feel welcome. I want when people come to my channel, they can feel free to speak. They can feel free to interact with me. And the next thing, you need to respond to people comment. When they comment on your channel, go ahead and send them a simply respond to people comments. When you respond to people comment, guess what? You know what I tell them? That you are interested in them. They will also share your video out. They will watch your video in full, and they will always come back. But if you are the type of person who ignore comments, trust me, people will run away from your channel. So take that in mind and respond to people comments. Okay guys, please remember to watch the video in full, guys. Please remember to like the video. Please remember to leave a comment on the video. Please remember to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video. So thank you guys for watching this video. I will definitely see you in a next video, guys. Bye guys.